Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch private YouTube videos. Now here, as you can see, I have this video right here, and when I get to it, it tells me that this video is private, and that's why the video is unavailable. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open a new tab, then search here for YouTube Video Finder. Then it will open all these websites. You just have to click on this one, the first option right here, YouTube Video Finder. And now you will have to copy the link and just paste it right here. Then click on search for captures. It will take a couple of seconds. And now here, as you can see, it tells you that it's not available, unknown, not available. So actually, this is not something that you can actually do. And do not believe anyone that tells you that you can watch private videos by using any method, because this is just a scam and it might be a clickbait. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.